Good morning, truthers. I am the intpwatcher, and what I'd like to watch today is this weather system coming from west, from our lovely neighbours across the pond. And I'm going to take a closer look at the activity around it. So I'm going to take you on a little bit of a expedition trip and just see if we can figure out why it's moving, the reason it's moving. It does seem like the graphics has gone down a bit on this, doesn't it? Almost as if it was altered so you couldn't see exactly what was going on. But sure enough, we can see planes, contrails, dissipating but actually spreading and adding to this. We can see some ship tracks here, adding to this area. Are they making it rain more? Would it make it more water? What would it do? What do you think? Put down in the comments. So let's just watch this through. I might speed it up. I swear these graphics look worse than normal. And what's those three little bits there? It does seem like they've lowered the graphics. Okay. They've definitely lowered the graphics. But we can see more planes here. I don't know if that was a plane. I don't think it was. But you can definitely see there are planes, contrails, ahead of this weather front. Now, as I said before, the weather front over here, coming from lovely America, will shoot upwards. Those are those plane tracks. These are the ship tracks from the day before. Still there, still spreading out. That must be several miles in width, hundreds of miles in length. And wow, look at that. Let's just pause that and let's go back. Just a few planes trails there. Wow. And lots of little short trails on the front edge of it as well. Okay. So let's look at the front edge first of all. Short, tiny, little bursts of trails, which is very strange because you would imagine it going from all the way from England all the way to the cold front itself if they're going to be present in the warm area. And you can see the amount of trails being produced here now. Obviously they're falling out to sea, and hundreds of people are dying in these planes because the engines have stopped. Otherwise you'd see the trail go all the way across to its destination, surely. These people, their families, I feel so sorry for them. And the trails just keep coming. Many. I can't be bothered to ever count them. There's just too many to count. This weather system is very cool. Look at this. Quite rare. What's going to happen to that? I don't know. But just ahead of it, there's a few short trails here being produced as well. Wonder where they're going. Let's go back to the main event. Oh, a few trails there ahead of it, and a few behind it. Boy oh boy, there's a lot of planes flying from somewhere in the middle of the ocean and then landing somewhere else in the middle of the ocean. How bizarre. You should be able to see them pretty much go from wherever they take off to wherever they arrive, really. But that doesn't seem to be the case, does it? What are these up here? Oh, I mean, they're all over this one, aren't they? Trails, trails, trails. Just a few, lots and lots of little short ones there. Oh, I've come up to the present day. I wonder what will happen when it reaches England. So, should this reach England on, let's say Monday, is it? Will it rain? Will there be trails in the sky? I think there will be trails ahead of every single cold front that comes across the UK. Let's go back a few hours and let's see if we can pick up a few more. I mean, it's loaded with them. I'd love to see in the North Pole, but for some reason we just don't get it, do we? Guess there's no weather in the North Pole. I mean, wow. It is blatant how many trails are on this weather system. So, can we say that they will add to it and add water to it? Because they obviously have an effect on it. If there was no trails there whatsoever, no planes in the sky, what would be happening to this cold front, this weather system? They have an effect on it. It is obvious. It is just logic. They will absolutely be doing something to it. And let's figure it out. They've got ship tracks down here, and they've got planes all the way in front of it. Are they halting it? Are they causing meteorological blocking? There's even trails above this fantastic looking weather system. You gotta wonder what's happening there. Trails all the way along this weather system here, where the north of Spain is, where they have a load of mountains, as I think it is. Yeah, many trails there. What are they doing? What would that do? What do you reckon? Do you reckon it would cool it down, or do you reckon it would heat it up? Do you think it would have an effect on this area of warm down here? Oh, look at this form. I do love the weather. This is so cool. Don't see any trails in it though. Who would fly in the middle of that, eh? No, they only fly here, ahead of the cold front, where change can happen. So yeah, this is Zoom Earth. You should look at it too. Get on your phone, do a screen recording, take a little look at Met Office weather pressure charts, see where the cold front is, and then you'll see where the plane's contrails are. Send it to a friend and just ask them, why do you think this is happening? What do you think effects it will have on this weather front? Could it halt it? Would it make it carry on further? Will it add water? Will it take away the water? Will it make it brighter? Or will it make it darker? I think it's an interesting exercise for us all to do and teach everyone else you know about it. So yeah, let's find out in 2 days exactly what happens with this weather front to the UK. Will it arc around it? Will there be meteorological blocking? Or are we going to get a lot of rain which is filled with whatever comes out the back of a plane? It'd be interesting to find out what comes out the back of a plane. I'll have to do a video on that, do some research, but my word, there's a lot of planes ahead of this cold front. Okay, well, we'll see. Thank you very much for listening. Tell a friend. Bye for now.
Oh yeah.